Hello and thank you for watching. Alright, so in this video I'm experimenting a little bit more with my cell activators. And I'm not quite there, but I think for using all products just found readily available in the US Floetrol, and this particular pour has all craft paints. So I think I'm getting there pretty close for using craft paints and using very cheap minimal ingredients. So very soon I will be releasing a video with my cell activator recipe. So in this video I'm just showing a little bit, and this video isn't the best example of a bloom, but I think it's a great bloom for using just craft paints. But thank you for watching and have a great day.